Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I'm going to attempt to weld this very small washer onto this Allen wrench right there. This is a security bit used on fire alarm switches, and a coworker of mine wants to be able to put this on his keychain. So I'm going to attempt to do that weld. Wish me luck. Here we go. Well, there's some good news and some less good news. I got it on there. I burned right through the washer. Let's go file. Okay, attempt number 2. I'm going to call that a success. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching. I was able to weld, it's not very pretty, but weld this washer onto the corner of this security Allen wrench for a coworker so he can put it on his keychain. Fortunately, we have a ton of these, and if it falls off, I'll just try it again with something different. But I think that's gonna work. So, thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends and family. Help me grow my channel. I have 720 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000, and every one of you can help. Thank you. Peace out.